Hi, and welcome to an Android App Dictions app demo, brought to you by Tech Bytes with Jay Smith, where we try and keep you informed on all the latest apps in the App Store.
Tech Bytes with Jay Smith.
Sometimes playing the same old games on your device can get a little boring. Well, luckily with the app Hungry Monster Balls, you can start enjoying great puzzles and great controls in one game right away. Brought to you by the developers at Zribe Apps, Hungry Monster Balls is a funny 3D game for players of all ages to enjoy. Buttons to share the app, check out more games, rate the app, and settings meet users after launch, while the button to play lies in the middle. Featuring up to 20 challenging levels, there's plenty for players to enjoy while in the game. And the objective is quite simple and lots of fun. By tilting your device, players must try and roll these ball-shaped furry creatures to the garbage to eat. Each monster has its own special features to make each level more fun and even more challenging. Can you help all the monsters fill their hunger? It's lots of fun. The game has you moving your device tons of different ways to get the monsters to the food. And once you've gotten all the monsters where they need to be, you've passed the level, where you're shown just how long it took you and are also given the ability to share the news on Facebook and Twitter. Ready for another challenge? Just hit continue to go to the next level. Having different monsters with different abilities is awesome. Use the big monsters to roll over holes, use the black monsters to move boxes out of the way, and so much more. As you progress through the game, the level gets harder and harder with jumps for monsters to take and more fun challenges. But my personal favorite thing is when the portals are in the levels. Just by rolling a monster over it, they're transported to another spot, which can be a big help and a little tricky. Overall, it's clear to see that this fun game, Hungry Monster Balls, is a great app. Hungry Monster Balls is available in the Google Play Store for all Android devices for absolutely free, and is a fun and addicting game you should definitely go and check out. Hey, thanks for joining me on AndroidAppDictions.com, and until next time, happy feeding those monsters.